Okay, we're going to do a little unboxing of my latest purchase from eBay. Well packed. Let's see here. Some Lionel post-war trains. Let's see what they look like. Lots of newspaper. Lots of newspaper. Wow. I think I'm going to use the smaller box, because with all the newspaper, they're still on the very bottom of the box. Okay. Beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Lionel post-war 259E. Very nice. Lionel post-war shell tank car. Looks good. Here's the Lionel lines, 1679 Baby Ruth lithograph tin. Here's yet another 1682 red caboose. These are pretty common. And here's the tender. Looks like it used to be a whistling tender, but it's missing the contact here. We could upgrade that. Very nice. I'm very happy with that.